Welcome to my 1995 on the Prelude, built and restoration. So, we're gonna take a look around the car. It's beat up, but not in the worst condition. We'll fix it up. So we'll take a walk around the car. We'll look on areas we need for fix, like here on the back fender, the bumper swing. So the plastic welding on bando. Like welding out the original spoiler. So we have a busted windshield, so we need a windshield replacement. Headlight need restoration. So basically I have pretty load of work lined out. So moving on to the inside, interior is dirty, very, very dirty. And it's terrible, real terrible. Dashboard have a crack. Shifter, a lot of things wrong. Seats are torn up. Well, the back is the worst. So we have a lot of rewrapping and fixing up to do. We try built on a budget, but still have to make sure it's look good. This is my dream car in the underworld. I've got to put out some effort in it. Roof is falling apart. If you're in the Kingston, Jamaica area, and you know where one is scrapping, just link me up. Alright, here it is. The machine from scratch. Taking off the sticker of the vehicle. And delete the original license. Two African men working.
You people don't talk that you people don't know. We are here walking on the car and we are taking off the stickers, so you people can see. As it is now, you people might say it is trash. But don't worry, give us a couple days and you will see.
Sunday.
Nonsense. Yo, no man, video my battery that. Yeah,
remember, so we have video, G. What kind of style that? Why? That African nigga, he translate back to Jamaican. Why? You know? Working on the machine. I have to feed myself too. Yeah, we're here. Just a little walk around of the car after removing most of the vinyl. As you can see, we still have a bit remaining, like on the bonnet. They're still removing from the windshield. So it's pretty much done, but not fully complete. Them call it the spider right now, but
Was it Zeus?
this will happen later on.
Oh, sit, you know. Boy, Philip now hold up the bonnet, man.
Boss.
My virgin Philip. I hold up the bonnet. I'm here sitting to sit no like two one. I let the man think say yo. Come on, as a channel watch it.
Yeah, that's the fourth on that. And the brown, so go up on the new shop. No, yourself not there.
Don't.
It's out, because it's out.
Be there, that's how work. And now pay attention to the bonnet and just walk up. I need fire at that.
Turn up, boy.
You know what? You want to put on the bonnet.
Like, I'm going to tell you about it. Come on, I tell him tell about it. Come on, I tell you about it. That looks like a battery.
Just see fan chipping.
Buy one mix.
Oh no, go start it for him.
I'm going to start it. Put on.
What is?
I'm going to cook it.